the plants in dried condition or any bad condition, you have to cut down from here. I mean, if you cut down the branches, then it started try to recover its problem and it turned into a very nice healthy plants again. So if you have any issues with your basil plants, then you can do that. You cut the branches and let it grow again, then that time it will be good for them. Let me show you this plant. This is holy basil, and I just cut the whole plant. It was a very big plant. I just cut down because of cold, and now they start branching because basil need a lot of sun as well, so I keep there so that they can branching again and grow properly. As you can see, they are growing very well. I'm very happy with the result. I thought it will die, but no, it survived very nicely and now it strongly grown up after 10 to 12 later. And I just wanted to show you the update of this basil plant, which is growing very healthy way and with full blooms, oops, not blooms, with very tender leaves and lots of branches, new branches, as you can see, and it is very healthy. I think it's going to be grown very soon because now sun is out every day, so I'm expecting a very big healthy bushy plants. Here is my another holy basil plant, and these basil are, as I am telling you, that we are not use this leaf for cooking. So as you can see, it's a very big and bushy plants, so I'm expecting that one also to as bushy as this one. Let me tell you one thing, guys. If you have the plants in dried condition or any bad condition, you have to cut down from here. I mean, if you cut down the branches, then it started saves its energy and try to recover its problem, and it turned into a very nice healthy plants again. So if you have any issues with your basil plants, then you can do that. You cut the branches and let it grow again, then that time it will be good for them.